So guys, I'm excited because today it is officially the day that I am allowed to play Snowball Fight. If you guys haven't heard of Snowball Fight yet, that's probably because I got early access to it. No big deal. I'm going to be playing it on stream today. You know, this is before anyone else can play it. That's totally not true. Everybody can play it right now. And I'm probably going to invite some viewers in chat if you guys wanted to play it with me. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a boot. We talked about it in one of the videos, one of our patch review videos, where we were like, hey, yeah, they're gonna have a snowball fight. Basically, you shoot snowballs out of Brimstone's cannon thing, and it's supposed to be fun. I just want something to relax with, though, because I've lost 10 freaking games in a row on ranked, and I'm tired of it. So I'm gonna play some freaking 5v5s snowballs, and we're gonna see how this is gonna go, okay? Yeah, guys, these are snowball games. This is gonna be our first one. I'm kind of a pro at these kind of stuff. So, you know, like when I was a kid, I was really good at snowball fights. I watched that episode of SpongeBob where they snowball fought all of the time, you know. So I mean, I'm kind of an expert. I'm pretty familiar with all that stuff. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, I feel like you gotta play Jet on this.
That's why.
Do you use abilities in this? I feel like Jet is like the only way to go. Oh wait, this thing looks pog. Do all of our thingies look the same?
You'll see. You'll see. You'll see.
Oh, yeah, we all have the same one. Okay, okay. Do I have ammo? No. Okay, come on, baby. Yeah, let's go, baby! Can't even fuck with me.
Some people have different ones. I don't know how.
Get pre-fired. Somebody kill that Reyna. Oh, no. Oh, where are these guys at? Did she just spawn there? Is this like a deathmatch spawn thing, or? Oh, man. These guys are nasty.
Yeah, there's gifts and then they give you abilities. Like I've ricocheted.
Oh, wait. Oh, it disappeared. Oh, no. Wait. When's opening? Where's it opening? Oh, it's in the mid. Oh, God. What is this? I need that. Oh, God. I'm getting clap shot. Get to the gift rift, guys. Go, 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 go.
I got shot in the back of the head.
Oh, you can tell they designed this before they changed the nerfs.
Because
Because it has a thingy on it. Or maybe they just changed it. I don't really know. Oh man, I got flanked on. I only have 3 kills. I feel like I could be doing better right now. I feel like there's like a tactic here that I just haven't done yet, you know? Oh, how's that not hit? Hello? She's just skating around and shit, dude. I'm getting robbed. This game sucks. This is worse than cop. Oh, hello. I can skate. Freaking nerds. Where are you guys at? Where are these losers at? Oh no, what did I just drop?
I can't.
No, guys. Oh my god. That Habit guy he's so good at this. He's got 24 kills. Get rolled, kid. Get rolled, kid. Where's that breach? He was around here. Give me those skates. Oh man. Where are these guys at? It is over, Anakin. I have the high ground. You just gotta take your time with the shots, it seems like. Yeah, look at that, dude. Taking my time.
I feel like the real
Oh, baby! Oh, baby! Wait, can you knife? Oh, this is the move. Maybe not. Cypher's blending in. That's true. You should play more Cypher. You can't see him. Who wants to contest me? Anybody? Who wants in on this? Come on. You wanna fight? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Come on, Bappo. Bring it, man. Bring it. Oh, jeez.
Cypher's carrying right now. Just saying.
All right, what's the meta? Do you get abilities or no?
No. So the meta is you want to pick light skin characters. Not like skinned, but like colored clothing.
That's kind of racist.
That's not what I meant. That's not what I meant.
Nah, I'm done with this race.
Light colored characters, because like you blend in because it's on Icebox.
Like how Brim's Molly is. Like it drops.
Yeah.
I wish it wasn't just straight the entire time.
It drops. It is a little bit of a loop. I'm sniping people out. Open some of these presents, boys. Come on, get those power-ups. Rapid fire ricochet. Rapid fire ricochet. Let's go, boys. Get some of those ricochets in here.
If you jump, they can
oh, man.
track you better. That's just an Overwatch tip.
Oh yeah, because like you can't change your direction. That's interesting. Overwatch tips coming in. We have the Overwatch Fairman giving us the tipperinos. Oh man.
So you have to think, okay, it's a projectile, right? But then you also have to think where they're gonna go. But then you have to think what they're gonna think you're gonna go. So then you have to think what they're not gonna go. So they expect where you to go. True.
So I gotta think about what they're gonna go, but they're thinking I'm gonna go. So I gotta think about
Yeah.
what they think I'm gonna go, with they're gonna go.
And then
And
you
then
shoot where they think you think they're gonna go.
Yeah, but I should probably shoot
Mhm.
where they think I think they're thinking I'm thinking they're gonna go, right?
Or just don't think.
That's normally what I opt to do. I don't think it's gotten me very far in life. I'm gonna be honest. That's a really don't peek that. Don't peek that. Don't do it. Oh no, Papo. Get rolled. Nice.
If everyone got 10 kills, then we'll be okay.
We literally win. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, but apparently we're struggling. Like, let's look at the career profile. Like, I don't want to do it, but I have to.
Oh,
Me,
are you making fun of me right now?
I am.
Are you throwing shade right now? I got 6 kills. It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
6 and 9.
This game's hard.
69.
It's a hard
Above
game.
you. It's pretty easy.
You've seen my record in comp, dude. Yeah, I kind of struggle.
I don't know if you want to pull out my record. It's just bad. Diamond 1, lol W. You're right. That
Imagine being Diamond 1, dude.
Yeah.
All right, I outfrag
Crazy
you this
stuff.
game, okay?
Frag me? Well,
Yeah, easy.
no, if you can.
I'll tell you what.
You
I
can
could roll
outfrag
you
Kirby
in
one
this,
night.
and I could roll you in Overwatch too. I could do it.
This is no way.
Yeah, you're probably right. Oh wait, Quiz picking up. You know what it was? It was your character. You were playing Jet. Like, it's not fair.
Weren't you on the quote most OP character for this game mode? Cypher?
I mean, like, Jet has a
See,
smaller hitbox,
Killjoy stuff's
so
the best.
it's pretty fun. This is how like the League of Legends game modes are. Like the Earth mode. It's pretty fun. You play a couple games of it. I guess maybe like when Earth used to come out, I would play Earth like all day. But like, no, it's definitely like you play it for the love of the normal games. You know, that's not how StarCraft used to be.
Valorant is such a competitive game. It's like, I don't go to Valorant to like mess around. Like I do that in Overwatch and League.
Yeah, I'd probably play Overwatch or something if I was looking for some casual game mode like this. It's so weird because it's not a bad game mode, but it's like it's the little things.
Feels like it's in the wrong game.
The little touches, like I like how they made it so there's not like a preload. Like you can just get into a game really fast and just play it. That's kind of cool.
Guys are down. I swear, we lose this game.
We're down by 5.
Your ass, Kirby.
You're not pulling your weight either, Quiz. You're 3 down from what you need.
Like we said, everyone needs 10.
I'm trying here.
Don't die, guys.
I just
Let's free away.
Stop beating, dude.
Also, I was playing. I was playing.
Oh, I got
Ironia
one
today
too.
Mid against
Oh,
a
damn it,
Pike.
dude.
Died 11 times
I literally
today.
just couldn't. I died so often.
That was all right. I don't know. It was fun playing the Snowball. It was fun for like 5 games right there. Oh, that's like about how many we played. But like overall, this doesn't feel like the same vibes that I need. I'm sure there's a lot of people who really like that game mode though. If I do this, make this into a YouTube video, subscribe to the channel, check us out. I'm sure there's a ton of other people playing this. Apparently, Subros is playing. But yeah. Do you want to do like a deathmatch or something to warm up, or?
Oh, sure. Do you want to invite me? Or?
Yeah.